Ladies and gentlemen, this here is Jim Bob McLean back. I was gonna wait for a while to see if people commented or whatever, but I'll do another video. I just want to pump this out, excuse me. Now I got the gold grill I'm shining on them. That's my gold grill look. From Johnny Dang's, right? So shout out to Johnny Dang. Shout out Tony Khan. Shout out everybody down there that made this grill for me. So Louis still stuck in here. Anyways, you gotta look into the videos for that. Point is, today I'm gonna show you how to clean your grills. Now, I'm gonna give, I can't remember his name, but down in the description, I'll put it up here too. This guy taught me this shit. Straight up tell you that. Go check out his videos, give him a like or whatever. Show him some love, all right? But it's kind of his stuff and my combination, but it's more his stuff, all right? So, I'm just saying. Give credit where credit is due. So, how do you clean your grill? Now, first off, if you got a plated grill, you don't want to scrub it with anything. What I've read is you use hydrogen peroxide and something like that. Look it up. I don't know, right? But you don't want to be rubbing on that. You don't want to be using gold cleaner because it's going to take that layer right off of there. Now, if you can go get it re-dipped and that's something you do, then shit, have fun. Go, rub it all off. Go get it re-dipped. But if you actually have gold, here's how you clean it. It's real simple. You go to good old Walmart, go get yourself a Mountain Dew, go get yourself some shoelaces, go get yourself a video game. And then you go over to the jewelry section and you ask them, you say, hey, I've been looking around, where the hell is the gold cleaning stuff? And they'll go, right there. And you go, oh, right there. Bam, right there. And what do you get? First off, this is not a necessity, but something that I do use. Secondly, this right there, that is the necessity. These, hopefully you have these scissors, right? I'll show you my little whole kit. And then right here, I don't know what this is for, but this thing is a little case. Bam. That's not part of cleaning, but that's part of my setup. Now, what we have here is this stuff right here. This is for the deep cleans. This is your gold little cleaners, juice inside of there. Open this up. Pull this out. Bam, you got yourself a little container. You can set it in there. There's a brush. Now, I remember my grandma, she would put her jewelry in there overnight, I'm pretty sure, and let it soak. So that's for your deep cleanings. It says leave it in there 30 seconds. It's freaking gold. Now, don't trust me on this, right? You might want to look into this, but don't take my word for it. But, I haven't left it in overnight, but that's what I plan to do whenever it gets nasty. I left it in there for a couple minutes, and then it was fine. You know what I mean? So what I did, you take that little brush up here, I think I showed you. You leave it sitting there, and then you pull it out, and you scrub it. And it starts to, collect up a, like a, what do you call it, a foam, right? So that's pretty cool. I think that's for some deep cleaning stuff right there. Now, if you got, just the normal gold teeth, you're not going to have much problems. There's not a lot of cracks, not a lot of crevices. If you got the cuts and stuff, I imagine this is going to really help you get in there, get that grime out of there, all right? Now, second off, this is a big thing right here. This is something this is for everyone, after a while use, here and there, once a month maybe. Depends on how much you're smoking or whatever. This right here is almost daily, right? I don't use it daily, but you could. Now, once again, give a shout out because this is where I got this from right here. The idea of this and how he uses it, right? Now, you open this up. You got yourself a little safety layer. Don't do anything with that. That's probably poisonous and stuff. Just keep that to itself. That's to protect everything. Don't be wiping stuff with that. Now, you got sheets like this. These are gold sheets. Now, what he showed to do was real smart. He takes the whole thing. But you can cut these, right? Just give it a little cut right there. Now, you can do it to the whole stack of them, right? He cuts them this way. I can't remember. Go watch this video. Right? He'll show you. But this is my video. I'll show you, what I took from that. All right, so, bam. You don't need a whole freaking cloth for this. This is for a whole gold necklace or something that you're going to be, going on it for a while. So, boom, you got two right there. Save that for later. So, maybe you're sitting there at the drive-thru. There's some sweet honey cut up there, drive-thru, and she's a drive-thru lady. You're like, oh, she's sexy. I want her to see my shiny girl, thinking that in some way is going to make her like you more. What you do is you pull out your grill, bam, get that spit off of it, That's always a hot thing whenever you suck that spit out of there. Anyways, boom, we got it. Now this is not too grimy or anything. Now keep in mind, you're gonna see this start to turn black. And you're gonna go, oh man, that's so gross. What it is it's whatever chemicals are in this, combine it with the gold, turning it black. So don't worry, it's gonna get on your fingers, it's gonna get on the grill, you're gonna wanna wash this off. Another thing I wanted to say was, I said if you got the cuts in your grill and stuff, they do the diamond cuts or any of that stuff, this brush will be good. And the one section I have is the 14K stamp. Seems like it gets a little grime in there from smoking and stuff, so you can really get it with that. Now, what I do is I just shine the hell out of this. Just shine the hell out of it. Shine the back, shine the front, shine the bottom, shine the top. But another thing I do is, oh, this is looking good already. Just a little bit you do to this shines it the hell up. What else I do is on the inside of here, they don't shine up the whole inside of it, but what they do is where it kind of touches your gums, they'll do that. So I just lightly shine that up too, because I feel like that's a good thing. Keep that nice and polished. So far with having these, I think this is a good gold right here, 14K, because I'm not getting any scratches or nothing on it. So as you can see, barely did anything, and this thing's already turning black. I'm already getting on my fingers, but like I said, that's just the chemical compounds coming together and all that. So this right here is very nice. If you get a grill and it's cutting into your damn anything, it feels very uncomfortable and it hurts you and stuff, your molder's probably messed up. They're not supposed to do that. Don't be walking around bleeding gums thinking that's a normal thing. Also, if they don't fit, this clips right into my mouth. If it doesn't clip right into your mouth, you probably got an issue there. You might have to go get it remolded. You might have to send it back or do whatever you do. So anyways, this right here, now it says on here, these are, make sure you get the gold ones, the gold and silver. This right here is for precious metals, golds, diamonds, precious stones. Make sure you get the gold stuff. But this says, let's see here, rinse hands with soap and water. It says non-toxic to people, pets, and environment when used as directed. So that might mean you gotta shine it off, but I always, or wipe it, or put water on it. That's what I always do, just to be safe. I don't want to be putting these chemicals in my mouth. But, give yourself a nice little shine. You can do this. Now, bam, so right there. I'm gonna rinse that off. I'll be right back. All right. I just did that with a little water bottle outside. If you use this stuff, definitely rinse it out, because that's poisonous right there. You gotta think this stuff ain't made for your mouth. So I'm just wiping off any of the fingerprints, and right there on the inside and outside. Now the only kind of the only bullshit I'm getting on it is on the back, on the inside from smoking cigarettes. I can tell. Something else. Oh, then you get a little bit of black in there. But what I do with that is I got a toothbrush, and I'll soak this. I'll take some toothpaste in a little cup, swish it around, make myself a little mixture, soak this inside of there, right? And then take the toothbrush and clean the inside. You gotta clean the inside. You might get some bullshit in the inside, and that ain't good. And that's gonna get in there, and that's gonna get all rotty and stuff, get nasty. You don't want the insides of these to turn black. Now another thing I wanted to say, I think a pro tip, let's put them back in, bam, just right in. They're not falling out, real nice. Here, this thing. I don't know what this is for. It actually doesn't say on the back, made in China. But this right here is a little case. So, as you can see, my grill fits in there real nice. Right? No way to fall out. I got these little fifth pockets, put it in there. So, if I go to eat, you don't want to be eating with this thing. There's no bite to it. Now, it doesn't really hurt my mouth to chew, but it doesn't really get any chewing done because there's no bite on this. This is just a kind of a rounded top. You're not going to want to be eating with it. Another thing I want to say was when I first got it, it was almost like clicked in and it was like, oh my God, it's in there real good. But eventually it kind of loosens up in a good way to your mouth where it still stays in, but it's not real hard to take out. Let's see here. Some things I was looking into. If you get like diamonds or gems or whatever, the thickness, as you can see, the thickness of this is definitely thicker than my real teeth. The thickness of that has to be thicker so you can set those diamonds in and all that stuff. I don't suggest you get diamonds. Just get yourself a damn cubic zirconiums. Nobody's gonna know. It's not like you're Puff Daddy or something.
Talk to him.
Let's see, but that's just personal opinion. That's personal opinion. So that right there has been how to clean your grill. There was something else I wanted to say. Let's see. I'm interested. I feel like these, I might someday look into if I can get these perm cutted, but I kind of feel like that's faking the funk too. You're faking the look of permanent teeth. Hell, I don't know. I'm just trying not to fake the funk. Just trying to live my life. Just trying to have a good time. Pretty cool. I'm never a person for jewelry. Was never into jewelry. Can't even wear that shit. It bothers the shit out of me. But this right here is one thing I thought, hell, you know, I could wear this jewelry, and I've been wearing it every day, and it's pretty nice. Doesn't hurt my teeth. Pretty natural. Pretty natural. If you're doing some kind of amphetamines or something, where you're grinding your teeth, you're probably not going to be wanting to wear this. I don't think you should be doing that out there anyways. If you're playing football or punching each other, having a slap boxing fight, you probably want to take them out. I don't know. Big paranoia is that I lose them. I step on them. So that's why I have this. I put it in my fifth pocket, and I keep it there. Oh, that's something else I want to say. People out there, brush your damn teeth. If you're not brushing your teeth with these things, you're not flossing, right? Every day I wake up, brush my teeth, floss, make sure they're clean. So when I put this over top of them, it's going over top of clean teeth. That way I don't have no freaking collard greens, or I have some potato chips from last night marinating up in there, rotting my shit away, and then I just put this golden cap over top, which allows it to marinate and ferment and turn into something nasty and rot my damn teeth away. You don't want to do that. You want to keep it clean, guys, and that's why you want to keep the inside of your grill clean too. So with these steps, I think you're going to be able to do it. Get yourself a little toothbrush, little kid's toothbrush that fits inside of there, and you know, like I said, a little toothpaste in a cup. Let it sit in there for as long as you want. 4 days if you want to. 25 minutes if you want to, 5 minutes if you want to, but then get in there and brush that shit out. All right, well, if you guys have any questions, put it down below. If you hate me, sorry. You watched it this far, I don't know what to say. Check out the rest of the stuff. If you guys like this, hit the subscribe and hit that damn like button. And because I can get me a top pair. I don't make any money off of YouTube any damn way. I'm going to have to do another boat cruise. But anyways, yeah, so this is Jim Bob McLean. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Help Louie get out of here. He's dying inside of there. I haven't heard him squeak in a while. I hope you guys love my grill. If you have any questions, I'll look it up. I try to see what I can see. Maybe I know, maybe I didn't say. Put it down below in them comments. All right, we'll see you next time. Shining on. Oh yeah. I don't know what the hell. Yeah. Oh yeah.
6 beats.
Up all night, slaying beats. In the morning I go to sleep. Did this shit almost all my life, and I never did find defeat. Never did find that part of my mind that tells me I should stop this. I keep on making these goddamn rhymes. I think I may be an artist. Keep making this garbage. Everybody sleeping on me. I kick these rhymes with a new design. Let everybody know who I be. Jim Bob McLean. On a crazy train, and I'm puffing up on that weed. It calms me down, it chills me out, it makes me feel so free. Playing my scene on every beat. Got a map of the goddamn quasars. Spit so quick on the mic sometimes that my words come out as lasers. Check your radars, I'm moving in. One with the beat like the Buddha's kin. My mood is zen.